Hello traders, today we're going to take a look at the TradingView charting platform as well as NinjaTrader. I have the NASDAQ using the DayTradeToWin software, and looks like everything is to the long side as we start off the day. These are the same signals that our traders at DayTradeToWin are getting using our DayTradeToWin software. Now the MNQ is very similar. It's just a micro version of the NASDAQ. So a lot of traders are trading the micros because it's a little bit safer, especially if you're starting off. So I recommend starting off with the micros instead of the regular NQ or the regular E-mini if you're a beginner trader. Now, as far as stocks are concerned, we have here JPMorgan. This is a stock that looks like most traders are selling off as the market begins. I think this is normal. The next signal that appears should also be another short signal, so you can see the opportunities when trading stocks using the DayTradeToWin software. Let's take a look at another stock. This is INQ, which is a quantum computer. I look at this stock once in a while. I think with all the AI, this is probably a hot stock. And remember, I'm not recommending anybody buy or sell any stock. Really what I'm showing you is the software, the DayTradeToWin software, and the signals for each of these different markets. So it's just a good representation of what you can expect as a trader. Now this is the E-mini S&P. I like the E-mini, it's futures. I have a long signal here to go long. As an example, based on the signal provided by the DayTradeToWin software, it gives you an exact signal, 70, 15, 75 it looks like. When you enter into the trade, it's important to have a target and a stop, and that green line and that red line is there to tell you where and what type of opportunities exist. If the market hits your stop, then you should always take that and exit the trade. If it hits your target, then you should also look at either getting out or tightening up your stop or starting to trail a stop. But that target, that profit target in green there, is intended for you to look at that and say, okay, I made some money, I'm in profit, let me get out of the trade and then look for another trade. We have a lot of signals, we have a lot of trades, and so really pick and choose the trade that makes sense. For example, I think this trade is fantastic because the risk to reward ratio is about 50-50. It gives you more than enough time to get into the trade. I like this trade. Now what some traders do is they have multiple charts up, which you can do. You can add the DayTradeToWin software to multiple charts. So you could have the E-mini, the NASDAQ, oil, a few stocks, and then wait to see which of the signals and trades in those markets make the most amount of sense. So really the goal here is not to take every single trade in one market or rush into this. If you see a trade and the risk reward ratio is upside down, let's say you're risking too much on the trade, let it go. I'm going to let this run because I actually want to see what the next few signals provide. I want to show you guys what is really happening here, first with the market and then what the signals the DayTradeToWin software are providing to see whether or not they're valid. Remember, always have a stop. So in this case, there's another trade here long, 70.19, and it hit the target almost immediately. I like to see that. If you're trying for a better price, which I always suggest, great, go for that better price. Always get in for a few ticks. I'm going to speed this up here just to save some time because I know that we have a lot of signals and everyone's time is valuable. I want to see what the next few signals are generated and are provided. The other thing that I do want to mention is that since every signal is higher, just like it was yesterday, if you haven't seen yesterday's video or Monday's video, I absolutely think that you should, because we have like a cycle. We have multiple days in a row that are giving us very similar price action type of trades. This is another long signal, and not only that, it's also providing us an ATO long, an at the open long. At the open 2, it's upgraded for what we're looking at. 70, 24, 75 is a great opportunity to go long. So this is another example of the market telling us, hey, we're heading higher, we're pushing higher, the market wants to go higher, and we have everything here in our favor. Now, I just have the Sonic system, the at the open, but I recommend adding the trade scalper, the blueprint, just 3 or 4 of the DayTradeToWin methods, just to make sure that nothing is conflicting, really, because we don't want to see one method red, sell, one method long, buy. I don't want to see that. I want to see everything green or everything red. Here's another long signal, and again, it's the ATO2, the at the open 2 long, telling us to go long once again, 70.31. I think that the market's going to go up today. So far, we have everything to the long side. The only reason to sell this market at this point is if you start seeing a bunch of sell signals in a row, at least two confirming that everyone is beginning now to take profit. We're now at all-time highs. I mentioned earlier in the year that the market should go higher. We had this conflict with Iran, but now it seems as if everyone is very comfortable with buying into the U.S. economy, buying into the stock market, buying into the futures and equities, thinking that the future as we see it should be to the long side and be bullish. And I like to see that. I like to see when the market does go up, especially for the traders with the 401ks and with the retirement accounts. This is important. Okay, so we have a bunch of long signals here. I think the next long signal is, as we see it, should also be good to go. There comes a point where after, I always say 10 to 15 trades that are all long, at some point you have to expect a loss. So right now we're only into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals long. I think we're still good to go long for a few more trades, but definitely expect some type of pullback or retracement, profit taking as it's called, and then the market should head back up, or maybe not. Maybe it'll go straight down, it'll reverse and head back down. But right now we're all-time highs. Another long signal here, 70.31. I think this is a good signal. Higher than the previous, multiple long signals. Nothing that the DayTradeToWin software is telling us is to be a seller. This is a great signal here to go long. I want everyone to understand that trading obviously isn't always as easy as it looks, as you can see here where everything is going in our direction. So if you have 2 losing trades in a row, which can absolutely happen, please make the conscious decision to stop, wait until things change, maybe the market's chopping around, and then we can continue. So I just want everyone to know that in all of these trades and all of what we're seeing the last 2-3 days, it's been fantastic, right? There's a lot of traders that are making a ton of money, but at some point you're going to have a little bit of chop. If you see that, stop trading and wait until the market creates a new leg up or maybe a new leg down. Now, if you want to see what the NinjaTrader version looks like, this is very similarly, if you're using NinjaTrader, the signals to go long, as you saw them on TradingView, should be very similar. The market is long. I expect it to go higher. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Get a free member account if you don't already have one, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView. Get a free member account. We also include the Sonic, Roadmap, Autopilot, Trade Scalper, and Atlas line with accelerated mentorship, now available in monthly and lifetime access. Visit DayTradeToWin and I'll see everyone in class.